How to resize photos in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the size. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can select the image that you want to edit. Here I'm tapping on one. Now I'm being entered in this editing platform. So here I am. Now again, simply tap on this image, and here on the bottom you'll be able to see different tools. Now slowly scroll down and simply tap on transform. So here it is. Now here you'll be able to resize your image however you like. So here there are different tools available. So here I'm tapping on one. Now you can simply pinch the photo and you'll be able to resize the image however you like. At last, tap on save and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.